Ayan. So, hello everyone. So, this is Life Coach Norse, one of the coaching entrepreneur from Life Coach Philippines International, and also the founder and builder of Living Intentionally 2.0 coaching community. And in this community, I gather individuals who are determined enough to get out from their limited minds and seek for opportunities to learn, collaborate, and build connections so that we are going to maximize the power of community in building generational wealth as we live intentionally with joy and financial confidence. Okay, yan. So for today, it's June 2, 2025, and I wanted to share some part of the newsletter that Master Coach A wrote, which entitled We Hunt for One-of-a-Kind Products. Doon po sa newsletter, sa Depth Thoughts, sa Substack. Yan. So, pag wala pa kayo sa loob ng Substack, it's better for you to create your account. Free naman ang paggawa. Para sa ganun, you can read yung mga valuable contents na andoon. And this morning, as I am reading those, it is a long-form valuable content, and doon ako nagkaroon ng aha moments on what she had mentioned about um, dangerously different. And she mentioned, sabi niya, every breakthrough in human history came from someone willing to be dangerously different. So if you want breakthrough in your life, you have to be willing to be dangerously different. And being a different person, madami po nga diyan, madami kang madadaanan na may mga criticism, may mga rejection, may mga discrimination, may mga pa-judge ng mga tao sa'yo. So, gusto mo ba yan na ma-experience? So, willing ka ba? Do you have this courageous feeling, or yung feeling na hindi ka matatakot sa kung anong sabihin ng ibang tao? Yan. Okay. So, kung gusto talaga natin ang breakthrough, yan, ito yan. So, kailangan talagang willing tayo to be dangerously different. Okay? So, sabi niya pa dito, every innovation, every revolution, every leap forward emerged from individuals who refused to conform to the collective comfort zone. Yan, guilty ako dyan kasi gusto ko nasa comfort zone, ganun. Pero yung comfort zone, hindi siya satisfactorily, or hindi siya fulfilling, and hindi siya rewarding. Parang cycle lang ang buhay mo sa comfort zone. Yeah? So, sabi niya pa dito, the people who change everything were the ones willing to be misunderstood, criticized, and rejected by the same crowd. So, pag ready ka to be misunderstood, pag ready ka to be criticized, and ready ka to be rejected, then this conversation or this content is for you. So, I'm encouraging you to create your account inside Substack, and you can read the whole picture or the whole content of this newsletter. Okay? Kasi yung nabanggit ko lang, it's just a part of it. So, as I continue, it says here that when Steve Jobs insisted on a computer without a floppy drive, the industry thought he was insane. When Oprah decided to build a media empire around authentic conversation instead of sensationalism, executives said it would never work. When Elon Musk announced he was going to make electric cars cool and land rockets back on Earth, people called him delusional. Each of them paid the price of being different. Each of them collected the rewards of being irreplaceable. Ayan. So, if you can relate on that, and it is something na you want to dive deeper, or gusto mo na mas maintindihan yung the whole picture of the content, I think better then na sagutin mo yung 3 to 5 minutes the Sacred Dissonance Quiz. Kasi yun, it really guides you on your journey. As you answer it, submit mo yan, and you will be receiving an email. From the email, merong there's a link in there, or a button and join the community. So as you join that community, it is something na mapupunta ka doon sa community where you really belong based on your journey. Okay? So that's it for me today. See you on the next videos. As I say, labang boom, yaman, matago-tago, tako amin.